I'm about to blow it up. Gotta play stupid games, so I'm showing